I will take a hat off like a salesperson in Confluent prospecting Flipkart. If I am to target Flipkart as an SDR or a salesperson, what I'll basically do is first I'll look for the intent signals that are available. Again, the data is coming from Reo.Dev. So some of the intent signals that I would basically use, for example, like there is a developer talking about problems with Kafka on GitHub, telling that, okay, I'm scaling and it is not working for me. That is an intent signal, which basically tells me two things. Flipkart uses Kafka and they're also facing a scaling problem. And then the second intent signal is, again, someone else from Flipkart telling, how can we optimize costs on Kafka? Now, this also tells me like they might have cost problems. And then there is another message on like, let's say Reddit, which we also track. The person on Reddit basically saying, big e-commerce company, I work for a big e-commerce company and we use Kafka to manage our high sale day, but we are facing issues with scalability. And the other intent signal is, again, someone from Flipkart are reading blogs on Confluent about cost, and that person is a head of engineering, head of data engineering. So these are all the intent signals that are available and indicating that Flipkart might be a good target. And then other signals are basically like if Flipkart is hiring a lot of Kafka engineers. And also, let's say someone joined Flipkart who is head of data engineering and he's a past Confluent customer. Once you have all these intent signals, right? Now, how do I use these intent signals and then present it in a way to Confluent so that they can take interest or else like start a conversation at least with Confluent? Now, these are all the intent signals I have. Now, what we will do is we will create a personalized landing page for Flipkart from Confluent.